Page 53, Melodies. A melody is simply a succession of notes or a series of notes that sound nice, I guess. Melody is really what we want to hear. That's what makes the music. That's what we're after. All the other stuff is supposed to be there to support the melody. I'll talk a lot about that in the future, but just keep in mind the melody is what's important, in my opinion. So let's look this piece over. 2 lines long. The right hand's playing the first line, the left hand's playing the second. Okay. 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4, we're counting quarter notes, and we got quarter notes and half notes throughout here. Okay, doesn't seem to be a problem. So let's start here. The right hand starts with thumb on C, so we're in this position, and you just can make sure you get all these notes first. And then once you get that, you go back and make, if you can do the counting at the same time, that's great. If not, that's fine too. You can do the counting a little later. Left hand again, make sure you got all these notes. And I'm suggesting on these, you connect these notes together. No silence in between them. Go for directly from one note to the, I'm transferring weight from finger to finger. It's because I play with weight. It's down, and I'm simply, it's like rolling, spokes on a wheel rolling, except I'm here, I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. It's similar to what I explained in the scale video. If you're doing the C major scale, it will help your technique in playing this stuff. And here I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. Here. I exaggerate it for the camera. It's actually a very small move. But connect all the notes here. Now at the end of the line you can lift up if you want before you start the next line. I'll talk more about that later. Connect all these notes together. No silence at all, and there's no rest. Connect them. So once you can get the hands all right and add the medium loud, whatever that is, you decide, and it says brightly. Well, be brightly, I guess. That's an order. I tend to want to be loud when I'm brightly, but this says tone it down a bit. Just moderately loud, brightly. Learn it, and when you've got it, you feel you've got it, and you can play it without hesitations, and hopefully you play it without looking at the keyboard. Then come back and play it with me slowly. Let's make sure you got the right notes and the rhythms. And the rhythm shouldn't be a problem, but at least the notes. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go.